A very big hello to my little children who are watching me here. So, welcome to Learn Forward. And what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn Odd One Out from Phonic skill books from the book Hi Kids from Feathercap. So, let's first understand what is odd one out. So, odd one out is when we have something different amongst the similar things. All right, let me explain you with the help of an example. So, what am I having in my hands? Can you all see? These are colors. They are colors. So, they have different colors, but they all are combined together called colors. They have similar height. They have similar width. So, these are called colors. Now, if I add this pen into it, so which one is the odd one out? Which one is different from all of this? This pen. So, this is odd one out. When we have something different from the similar things, that thing is called odd. So, this among all these colors, this pen is an odd one thing. All right. So, let's see what do we have in this exercise. Okay. So, now odd one out. Read and circle the odd one out in each set. So now, children, you all know what are vowels. You know them very well. You have done exercises of all the vowels. You have done exercises of A, E, I, O, and U separately. Now, this is a combined exercise where all the letters, all the vowel letters are clubbed together, and we have to find out odd one out. We have to find out odd one out. So let's see this first line first. All right. This is a hut. H-U-T. Hut. Now this is a box. B-O-X. Box. This is a N-U-T. Nut. So this is a U letter word. This is also a U letter word. But this is another vowel. O. So which one is the odd one out? This is similar. This is similar. This is the odd one out. So we have to circle the odd one. So let's choose a pen first. I'm going to take a beautiful, nice color which is visible to you all. Let me take red color. All right. So which one is the odd one out here? Box. Circle this box. Wow. Now in our next line, W-I-G. You know what is the wig? Artificial hair. Wig. Wig. Pen. Fan. So this has a vowel I. This has a vowel A. This has a vowel A. So which two letters are similar? These two, because they both have A vowel in it, and this one has I. So which one is the odd one out? This one. The one which is different from others is the odd one out. The one, we have a game also like this, odd one out, where similar things are kept together and something which is not similar, which is different, is the odd one out. All right, now we come to the next line. Now, P-O-T, pot, B-I-B, bip, and this is D-O-T, dot. Now, which vowel is there in between? O. Here, which vowel is there? I. Here, which vowel is there? O. So, which two vowels, which two letters are similar? P-O-T and D-O-T. And now, which one is the odd one here? B-I-B, bib. What is the bib? It is used on infants when they eat something, so that if something spills out from their mouth, it doesn't make their clothes dirty and everything comes out from the bib. So this is the odd one out. We have circled it now. Now in the next line, this is den. This is a men. This is a hen. So den has E vowel, men has A vowel, and H hen has E vowel. So which one is the odd one out? These two are similar because they have E vowel between them. And this one is the odd one out. So we circle this man. Wow! Isn't it a very interesting exercise? And this is not limited to your books only. So if all your colors are lying at one place and something different is kept between them, that is the odd one out. If you have copies and you keep a book on the top of it, which is the odd one out? The book. Similarly, if you have a pile of books and you keep a copy on the top of that, which one is the odd one out? That copy, because the books are similar. Similarly, if you are wearing something, you have kept 5 t-shirts and you add one trouser, you add one short on it. So which one will be the odd one out? That short, because all of the rest of them are t-shirts. So this is what is called odd one out. I hope children you have enjoyed this exercise and you can practice a lot of things around you. You can, like when all the plates, when you're eating something, all the bowls are similar ones, and you could keep a spoon or a plate there, so that plate or spoon will be the odd one. So you can practice it at home with real life objects. So now here comes the end of this exercise. Happy learning to you all, and keep practicing this exercise at home. All right, bye bye and take care.